Arguments began today in the trial of Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson in the Crystal Rogers case. The defense teams gave their summation to the jury for much of the day, and right now the prosecution is giving its closing to the jury. Shay McAllister and photojournalist Jessica Farley have our update from Bowling Green.
Attorneys for Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson want the jurors to remember two words: not guilty, and they spent most of today spelling out their case for that. Rosemary Houck listened to the case from the inside of the courtroom for the very first time today, surrounded by her daughter, her boyfriend, and Brooks Houck's girlfriend. Houck's attorney Brian Butler described the Houck family as a middle-class, good family that's done the right thing for their entire lives, but in 2015 became the villains of the town. During closing arguments, Butler worked to convince the jurors this case has been built on guesses and assumptions. He said police were given marching orders to get Brooks Houck. He called the prosecution's case a convoluted mess, saying the timelines are all different and they contradict each other. He also called Joseph Lawson the magic man because law enforcement don't have his cell phone records. They pretend he went here and there and they can't prove any of it, Butler said. Joseph Lawson's attorney, Robert Boyd, had a story of his own, telling the jurors, to believe this theory, you have to believe that Brooks Houck would trust the important job of moving the car to a severe alcoholic and his alcoholic drug user son. That sophisticated businessman did not hire these fools to do that. He went on to point out that three people not facing charges in this trial, Rosemary Houck, Nick Houck, and Steve Lawson, were all mentioned more during opening statements than Joseph Lawson. Boyd told the jurors, Joey had nothing to do with her murder, nothing to do with the Houck farm, and nothing to do with her car. And closing arguments for the prosecution in this case started very late in the day at 2:45 Central Time. You'll hear more from prosecutor Shane Young tonight at 6. In Warren County, I'm Shay McAllister, WHAS 11 on your side.
Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson trial, you can visit WHAS11.com, where we continue to share daily trial updates in the Crystal Rogers case. And you can watch our nightly debriefs with Doug Proffitt, Shay McAllister, Alexander Goldberg, and WHAS 11 legal analyst Nick Mudd. Just download the WHAS 11 Plus app on your TV and watch for free.